Hi Bob, just a quick instruction mate for your turbine jet. Okay, we'll just go through some of the basics. This will be done over a few videos. So mate, what we've got is we've actually got two batteries on board. One battery is at the front of the aircraft up here, which controls all your servos and receiver. There's also another battery which is under this plate here, and that controls all the turbine, so the startup features and the operation of the turbine and also the pump systems. So the one that's under here is all packaged and sealed under there. It's a nickel metal hydride battery, okay, and this little plug that you see here, this is the charge plug for that battery, okay. So it's nickel metal hydride and it's 2000 milliamps. Alright, so just so you know what that battery is. Now the receiver battery pack at the front here is just disconnected right here, okay, so you can disconnect that. Let me just show you. I'll put the phone down for a second. Alright, so I'll pick the phone back up. Okay, so if we just disconnect it here, okay, and then you can recharge the nickel metal hydride battery pack for the receiver and servos right here. Alright, and then connect it back into this plug once you've finished the charge. Alright, so they're the only two batteries you need to charge. Now I'm just going to put the phone down while I reconnect that battery. Alright mate, now if we go along here, okay, with your radio, just make sure all the switches are back on the radio, okay, so they're all set back. So pushed back, alright, back towards the back of the radio. Turn the radio on, make sure the throttle is low. Okay, you can see there the model A10 turbine, okay, and we just want to make sure that the trim setting here on the throttle, so the throttle trim setting is all the way down to -100, okay, so -100 is our starting position. Now once the radio is turned on, to turn on the jet we do it in this sequence. From this plug first, we pull down for on, we turn the next switch on, and then we turn the turbine switch on. Okay, so they're the three startup power switches to actually get the jet turned on. And if I move our elevator stick here, you'll now see that the elevator stick is moving at the back, and also rudders. Okay, so they're all moving there. Okay mate, so that is basically one. There's our battery indicator too, showing how much power we've got in the batteries. Well, battery I should say, the flight battery. So this is video number one that I've made you on how to turn on the turbine jet. The next video will be instructional on how to fill up the air, fill up the fuel and get it ready to fire. And then we will go through the final video of how to actually start the turbine jet, how to emergency shut it off, and how to stop the turbine jet once you've landed. Alright mate, we'll be back to you shortly. Thank you buddy. When we turn it off, of course, we turn the jet off in reverse, so it's this switch first, that switch next, that switch next, and then we can turn the radio off. And that's it. Okay Bob, back with the next video shortly.